The cheese?
Wait, this is cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, the cheese? What this is cheese? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mara and welcome to today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned to more of my videos. If you guys haven't seen my last video, sorry, my mom's making fun of me right now.
Sorry.
If you guys haven't seen my last video, go check that out right after this video because this one's going to be a fun one. Because today we are baking without a recipe. This is scary. So today I'm going to make cupcakes. Oh man, I don't know. And you guys may be wondering, cupcakes, then why do you have vinegar here? Well, guys, that is because baking powder. Yeah, baking powder. This is a substitute for baking powder, but it is also a different kind of vinegar. It's Filipino vinegar. Well, that's what my mom said. So,
It is.
Let's see if it will work out.
Ah, it's too sour. It's
Oh,
like
no.
10 times more sour than the American kind of vinegar. I think what you have here is apple cider vinegar. Oh well.
Oh my God. This is scary. Okay, let's get started. But first, before you do any of this, get a grown-up's permission and wash your hands. And remember, if you guys are baking for anyone else, do not use this video as a tutorial. Go to another video. This is not the video for you. Okay? Okay, let's get started. So, today we have some things that will help us, some things that will throw us off. So, today we don't have any flour, so I'm going to use this as a substitute. It didn't say that this was a good substitute. My brother was going to tell me that, hey, this is not going to work, but then he said, never mind, just do whatever you want. But I'm not tasting your cupcake. And I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. But this is a video that I'm making and I'm doing, so I have to taste the cupcake.
I'll taste it with you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
Because it may be poisonous. Who knows? So the ingredients needed, I searched them up, but I did not look at the measurements, which is good because it's baking without a recipe. So I'm really scared, but I think it says to like mix your dry ingredients first. That's what I always hear in the videos. So then you're gonna mix your dry ingredients, then your wet ingredients, then your butter and your sugar. I don't know where the eggs go. Oh wait, I forgot. I need cups in the measurements to, pretend. Okay, be right back, everyone. 4th cup, even though it's erased. And so I'm just gonna do 4 of these things to make a cup. So I think it's a cup, 2 cups, a half a cup. I'm just gonna put in whatever I think is right, what looks right. So this is supposed to be the flour substitute. So that's 1. I need a cup. This is not a cup yet. Oh! Oh, it is? Well, oh no, too late. Okay, the more dry ingredients. So now I'm gonna...
So vinegar.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh well, don't just put a little bit because that's like
Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit...
you're pouring acid in the mix.
Acid?
No, I said it's like
You
you're
cook
pouring
with
it.
this stuff.
Can I
Oh my
have
god,
some
I'm
of it?
scared. I'm scared.
I haven't had peanut butter in
I'm just gonna have like a tiny bit of vinegar.
I don't know how much tiny.
Okay.
To do.
Oh my god, no, that is... Oh my god, I can smell the vinegar!
Well, duh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go wash my hands. This is so disgusting. Oh my god. I keep forgetting. Oh my... I can smell the vinegar! This is
Well,
not
peanut butter is so good.
This is not good. Oh my god. Okay, so, next thing.
Let's talk. like that.
Yeah,
One
I know.
match.
Oh my god. And so, we're just gonna mix our dry ingredients together. Just gonna mix like so. Yeah. So this is what it looks like so far.
I like the peanut butter.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Maybe I should have like a hand mixer. Nah, that would be for cookies. Cupcakes is easier. Okay. Oh my god. Huh?
It sounds so much fun.
No, it smells disgusting. Okay, guys, now it's time to put in our sugar. Probably put in a lot of sugar because that's what food is these days, just sugar. Oh my god. Okay, we have it here, people. Don't worry. Oh, this sugar is so nice. I've been watching a lot of Rosanna Pansino lately. She's a good baker. I'm a baker. So we're gonna put a cup of sugar. So for these things, let's go. Let's do it. This is much easier. Now, oh my god, we're done with you, vinegar. We're done with you. Go away, please. Okay, now I'm going to put in some butter. Oh, that's not butter. That's apple juice. We have our butter right here. It's been out for a little. So I'm going to put in a stick of butter. I'm going to put in a... Wow, this is hard to get out. So here is our butter today. It's covered in some foil. So, can I just put this whole thing in here? It's not softened at all. Mommy, can I put this whole thing in here?
Hmm?
Huh, no?
No, you're not gonna be able to mix it. It's not gonna melt. What are you trying to do?
I'm going to microwave it.
Oh, the cheese?
Wait, this is cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, the cheese? What is this cheese? Yeah.
Okay. So let's
That's
put it
cheese.
back. That's cheese.
That's cheese, everyone. It sure smells like cheese. Okay, everyone. I have found the real butter, hopefully. And I'm just going to cut this in half because I think that will be enough to cut it. So I'm just gonna, how do I do this? Oh, it's so soft. Oh, that's not enough. I'm using my spoon to cut this. That's a very smart move. Oh, man. Very smart. Very smart.
Get a knife.
No,
What is this video? This is like the wrong way to bake video.
it's called baking with, oh, okay, yeah, it's also that. But, oh, my. Just gonna microwave it.
Take it back because, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do with you.
Melted butter. Now let's pour this in. I feel like that's not enough butter. Oh, I'm just gonna use the whole thing. Here we have some nice gourmet melted butter. I'm gonna put that in. So we have that melted butter down. Actually, no, we need to get it all down, like this. Have that moment where they're like, I'm done. I'm done. Well, I have had that moment several times today. But you know what? I really want to make some cupcakes. So I am not done.
I think I want coffee.
I'm done. But not done all at the same. You know what? Let's just move on to eggs. So, I'm gonna move all this stuff out. I'm not going to flavor it yet. And I'm gonna have the eggs right here. And I think I'm gonna put one egg first. And then I'm gonna put in, no, it has a shell. Come on. There you are, there you are. And now I'm gonna put in 2x. 2x sounds good.
Sounds good.
Really, this is the what not to do when baking video. What not to do when baking video. Just watch this.
And this is what.
So you'll know what to avoid.
When baking. Especially for a loved one. Blech. Now I'm gonna mix it all up. The eggs. Ew. The eggs. Oh wow, that yolk cracked. Okay, let's just mix it. So the butter is all softened. It's softened, not melted. I wish I melted it. And so I'm just gonna keep mixing right here. This is some good cupcake batter. Thick this is. That's how thick it is. Like, maybe I do need milk. I'm gonna add some milk, see what happens. The ingredients it showed didn't call for milk, but since this is the what not to do when baking / baking without a recipe video, let's do milk anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna put a half a cup of milk. You know what? Maybe just a 1/4 cup of milk. Because it didn't call for milk. Wow, this is really the what? Okay, maybe I added too much milk. Maybe I should have added half of that 1/4. Oh my god, these cupcakes are going to be delicious. Here we go. This will take a while. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I finished mixing, and since this was the pancake mix, it's really lumpy. So now I'm just gonna add the flavor. I can still smell a little bit of the vinegar. Very nice. Okay, what should we have? Oh, this is gonna throw me off. It's grape spread.
Maybe what should we
I don't
not
like grape
have?
flavored. I don't like grape flavored things. Ooh, this is peanut butter. Peanut butter cupcake sounds good.
Where is Culver's?
We have some sprinkles. We can make confetti cupcakes. Strawberry jam. We have apple juice. What else do we have? Oh yeah, we have almonds and granola. So first things first, since I can't decide on flavor right now, I'll decide on a color. So what color do you guys think I should use for my cupcake? Or maybe I shouldn't use a color. I've already decided that I'm not going to use the grape, and I'm not going to use the sprinkles. Actually, maybe I'll use the sprinkles. Wow, this is hard. Wow. So I will choose deep pink. I'll add like 2 drops. 1 drop. 2 drop. And let's see what happens. Oh my god. Look, it's color. Okay guys, I'm back from a lot of hard work. Like lots. Like, I don't even know how. I don't want to do that again. So I think I'm going to add some apple juice to mine to make it taste a little appley. And then I'll have another surprise for you guys. very good. Oh no, this is not good. It has made it really liquidy. Like, okay, maybe liquidy is better because, you know, it was sort of looking like a cookie batter instead of a cupcake batter. So maybe this is good. See? And so now I need to put in the strawberry preserves. That's my other ingredients. Yes, thank you. Oh. Where's the spoon? Where's that spoon? Ah, here's that spoon. A spoon with butter fiasco. These are some weird looking strawberries. I think it's bad enough, so I might as well do everything to it, right? So now I'm going to add, where's the, here it is, vanilla extract. Gonna, ooh, fancy. Let's see. Ooh, it smells strong. So I'm just going to add a little bit of it. People say add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon. I'm adding a cap. The cap of the vanilla. Or maybe a cap's even too much. This is already as bad as it gets, so can't get any worse, can it? Okay, so I've changed my mind. I'm doing the sprinkles because they look really pretty.
The sprinkles, they just melt, right?
Yeah, but it's colorful.
But it's already pink.
You can never have too much color.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Idea Ink
Sorry,
Films,
my bad.
Idea Ink Films, 2020. You never have too much color in
Okay,
the world.
tomorrow we need to do something. We didn't do anything today.
Okay. So now we can put this all aside and we can put in our cupcakes. So, 3, 2, 1, clean. Okay guys, so this thing has already been sprayed and now I'm going to add in my cupcake batter. So I'm going to get this, a nice 1/4 cup and add it in. So I am ready to put these babies in the oven. And so excited and so not excited to see what they turn out to be. Like if they're good or if they're terribly awful. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So in they go. Hello. Our cupcakes are done! As you can see here from the front view, these cupcakes are looking actually really good and they smell really good. This may be not a total failure. So they're still a little hot. So you're gonna look, oh my, that looks delicious. Like seriously, this smells amazing. So I have one I basically broke into tiny crumbs because I put some black food dye to be fun. To be like, you know what, I'm bored. Let's just swirl some of this around. And so now I crumbled it up. And now I'm going to try it. I'm scared. Okay, guys, ready? Smells good. I'm scared. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is not a complete failure. This is not a complete failure, everyone. This is the opposite of a failure. Well, actually, the looks of it not so good. But the taste, oh my. It tastes like a cupcake. Oh my God. This is good. Oh yeah, while we are here enjoying this goodness, I have some very important news, some very good news, that I am announcing that I will be posting weekly videos! Okay guys, woo! Weekly videos. So I will be posting every Friday, and sometimes I'll feel bored maybe, so I'll post, but like the standard one will be at least every Friday. I'll add more if I like. But so I'm calling it Idea Inc. Films Fridays. So make sure to hit that notification bell to stay tuned for my Idea Inc. Film Fridays, because there's a lot more coming up. Very good. So guys, that concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Ooh, I left that out. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not try this at home, because I made some mistakes and that could give me diarrhea, and please do not try this at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned to more of my videos. And so I'll see you next time on Idea Inc. Films Friday. Bye, you guys. Oh, share this video with everyone you know. See ya.